Thanks for checking in once again. This is just going to be a video on the summary of what happened yesterday with the storm, and let's take a look at the next couple of weeks to end December, especially a little light snow event that's going to come into the area Tuesday night. But let's first start off with what I originally had Wednesday morning for this storm. This was put out. I tried to stick this the best I could, so I had basically 6+ inches of snow possible in this area, snow to mixed in this area, and then mostly rain. I then updated that map 24 hours later to have 6 to 10 inches here, 3 to 5 inches with a lot of mixing here, mostly rain 8 to 14 up here. So the question is, well, how did I do? So let's take a look at what the snowfall totals were from yesterday. So down here, perfect, rain, a little bit of snow. The 3 to 5 inches I did very good on here. As you can see, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches. New York City actually, Central, I believe they reported 5, believe it or not. I saw in a report. Now, here's where things get a little volatile. So in this 6 to 10 inch band here, some places got 6, some places got 10. But as a whole, look at how spotty that ended up being. You can see you have an 11 inch amount up here near Allentown. 6.8, that's Hackettstown. I was actually over in Long Valley. We had about 7. Close to 7, and actually for a while it was really coming down last night. It was windy, it was snowing 1 to 2 inches an hour, roads are really bad, so it was a really nice snowstorm for a while, and I figured everybody in North Jersey got the same, but I drove back to Morristown and they had about 4 inches. This is, I think, 5.5, I forget where that's located. So overall, 6 to 10, although 6 inches and 10 inches fell, some areas missed out, like 2.8 inches here. I think that's Roxbury, 2 up in Sussex. So overall, I think I did pretty good with this, considering I had it out on Wednesday, and other outlets kept changing back and forth literally every day. So it's not a perfect forecast, but I'll take it. I mean, I think, you know, if you take a look at this from Wednesday morning to this, I think that's pretty close. So I'll give myself a little bit of credit at least. And then up here in New England, places did get 8 to 14, especially up in Vermont. You can see I had that extending up here on my snowfall map, and you can see that the lighter pink amounts are over 10 to 15 inches of snow. So that's good. So let's take a look at what's going to happen Tuesday. Light snow events going to come into the area Tuesday morning into Thursday afternoon. Couple inches maybe for most of New Jersey here. This is not a big deal. It's high ratio snows because it's going to be very cold clipper system coming in. Up in New England we'll get a little bit more. Just a little bit of a nuisance for the commute, but nothing that I'm going to bother to take time to put a snowfall map out for. I just think a couple inches might be possible on Tuesday. From there, it's going to warm up a little bit. So this is next weekend. This is December 20th. I guess that's next weekend, so almost next weekend, yeah. You can see it's going to warm up, probably even get in the high 40s to 50s. That's due to this ridge developing on the East Coast. But then things get interesting again going into Christmas week, and literally this is December 26th, even right before Christmas, the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, things might want to get a little interesting again for some wintry weather. And you can see we have a nice ridge over the west coast. That's called the positive Pacific North American pattern. That creates a trough in the east. This is cold air. It's not brutally cold air like we've seen, because this ridge is broken down a little bit over Alaska. But I think this could be an interesting holiday week. So whatever snow melts this weekend might be made up for right up to Christmas. Who knows? We'll see what happens. So if you just take a look at that real quick, here's the temperatures deviation from average in Celsius, 0 to 5 day period, so a little below normal cold. There's the right here's the 5 to 10. You can see that's that warm up, especially next weekend. You know, we stay just on the border of that, and then the 10 to 15 heading from December 25th to 30th. I think even a little bit before this, you'll start to see a little more action around here. So it's been a great start of winter. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for following the blog. Spread the word, and I'll be keeping things updated daily.